Today, we are diving into the exciting world of social media marketing agencies. Are you passionate about social media? Do you have an eye for captivating content? Well, get ready to turn your love for scrolling through social feeds into a thriving business. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's get one thing straight. Social media marketing is not just about posting cute cat pictures or funny memes. It's a powerful tool that businesses are using to connect with their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive sales. And that's where you come in. As a social media marketing agency, you'll be the go-to expert for businesses looking to up their social media game. So, without further ado, let's dive into the steps to kickstart your social media marketing agency. Step 1 is defining your niche. Just like with any other business, it's crucial to define your niche. What industry or market segment do you want to focus on? Are you passionate about fashion, tech, or fitness? Finding your niche allows you to become an expert in that particular field and tailor your services to the needs and preference of your target clients. Research your chosen niche thoroughly. Stay updated on the latest trends, challenges, and successful strategies within that specific industry. The more knowledge you have, the better you can position yourself as the go-to social media guru. Step 2 is identifying your services. As a social media marketing agency, you'll offer a range of services to your clients. It's important to identify what specific services you'll provide. Will you focus on content creation, social media strategy, community management, or all of the above? Understanding your core services will help you structure your offerings and communicate your value to potential clients. Here is a pro tip for you. Consider offering a mix of services to cater to different client needs. This could include content creation, social media advertising, influencer marketing, or analytics and reporting. The more comprehensive your offerings, the more valuable you become to your clients. Step 3 is building your own social media presence. Now, here comes the fun part about building your own social media presence. It's important to practice what you preach. Create engaging and high quality content that showcases your expertise and attracts potential clients. Choose the platform that aligns with your niche and target audience, whether it's Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, or Twitter. Consistency is key. Establish a content calendar and stick to it. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and build relationships. Your own social media presence will serve as a living portfolio, demonstrating your skills and credibility. Step 4 is networking like a social butterfly. As a social media marketing agency, networking is your secret sauce. Attend industry events, join relevant online communities, and connect with other professionals in your field. Networking not only helps you stay up to date with industry trends, but also opens doors to potential collaborations and future client opportunities. Don't be shy. Reach out to businesses and offer a free social media audit or consultation. This allows you to showcase your expertise, identify areas for improvement, and potentially convert them into paying clients. Step 5 is delivering exceptional results. Now that you've landed your first client, congratulations. It's time to deliver exceptional results. Craft a customized social media strategy that aligns with their goals, create engaging content, and track the metrics that matter to them. Regularly analyze and optimize your strategies to ensure you're driving tangible results for your clients. Don't underestimate the power of storytelling. Help your clients build a compelling brand narrative and create content that resonates with their target audience. Remember, social media is all about connecting and building relationships. But let me tell you a secret weapon that can supercharge your agency operations and make your life a whole lot easier. It's called agencywork.io, an all-in-one agency management software defined specifically for social media marketing agencies. With Agency Work, you can streamline your agency operations by performing all your essential tasks in one place, from invoicing and project management to lead management, ticketing, client communications, and even creating a content calendar for your client. Agency Work has got you covered. Picture this: easily sending professional invoices, managing your projects and tasks, tracking your leads, and providing top-notch client support, all from a single platform. This ensures a consistent and engaging presence for your clients. By streamlining your agency operations with agencywork.io, you'll save time, reduce administrative tasks, and improve overall efficiency. It's like having a virtual assistant dedicated to managing your agency's backend operations. So if you are ready to take your agency operations to the next level and streamline your workflow, I highly recommend checking out agencywork.io. You'll find the link in the description below.